full blackout emblem look today. This CT5V is getting our front and rear radar compatible emblem kit, plus our CT5V package with the full lettering in all of the V's. Let's get to it. We're going to take our plastic trim tools here and start in the top left of this front emblem and make our way around, popping all the clips. It's just as easy as it looks, don't overthink it. And take our new front emblem, line it up, and one nice clean snap into place. Those fingerprints off. Check that out. Let's move on to the body emblems. Tape is your friend. You cannot use too much tape. We're going to use our floss tool here to remove this emblem while pulling slightly away from the vehicle. If you don't have a floss tool, you can also use your trim tools, but do not pry on the vehicle. We're also using an eraser wheel here that you can pick up at any auto parts store. It's not necessary, but it definitely makes the job quicker. Once we get all that off, we're going to wipe that down with some solvent. Get that nice and clean, and get that new emblem ready. That tape that you put there doesn't only protect the car, it also helps you put the emblem back in the same exact place that the old one was. Press into place, remove the tape, wipe it down, move on. We're going to continue around the entire car here. Like I said, tape is your friend. Do not be afraid of using too much. Pulling outward, you use your tool here. Let's get all the rest of those letters off. Coming back in with that eraser wheel again. And we're going to clean everything. Remember guys, when you're putting all these emblems on, surface prep is key. We want to make sure that we clean that surface before we put those new emblems on. Pull off that tape. Everybody enjoys this part. And now we move on to the rear crest. I'm going to pop that trunk. And we have to remove a couple pieces here to pull down that carpet panel. That plastic piece comes off. We got a 7mm bolt here. Then we're going to get our fingers up into the edge there and find your clips. We're going to go around. We are not removing this panel fully, just enough to pry it out of the way. We can get our arms in there. I'm going to show you the back of one of the new emblems here so you can see where those two clips are. Can't get the camera in here, but you got to cut those off. Then we're going to bring the trunk back down. Using our floss tool, we can then remove it just like any other emblem. Eraser wheel to the rescue again, and surface prep. Get all that good stuff off there. Clean it up, and we're ready for that new emblem. Obviously, we're going to take those two holes there, line them up with the clips, and we're going to hear an audible click as we pop that in there. And now, it's time to enjoy. Almost forgot about finishing touches.